I realized it's very different when you're doing it backtesting and when you're doing it on the market in real life, because the chart is not waiting for you on the 1 minute. It was too much stress on me, and I was like, this is a terrible way to trade. I can't keep doing this.
That's my future, man. So I'm very happy because everything changed in my life with my mindset, the trading plan. So everything is structured. I start figuring out the market. I know what to do.
And I saw that the way you were to your trades was just almost stress-free. If you're gonna trade, you need to take it like a business, professionally. I really enjoyed the process.
Glad to hear that. And what advice would you give to traders who are just starting out and considering the professional coaching, let's say?
My advice would just be, you need to be ready to invest in yourself.
I'm Abel, that's my mentor. I've been part of the team of...
I was working 2 jobs when I stopped working.
There we go then. So yeah, that's from the platform. That's my name, Timothy. Yeah.
So now, basically, you are 200K funded, right?
Basically, more or less.
There we go, bro.
eBall campus is a pretty good campus. I like the other people in the chat. eBall is pretty active.
I've been part of the team of the personal knowledge. That decision changed my life. From that moment to now, it changed my trading for sure.
You didn't tell me you're gonna get another 100K.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me. That was insane.